Guys, it's Tabitha and I'm back with another video.
Everybody know I'm a visual. Yeah, I kill it cold like a criminal. On everybody's side, but nobody can deny. Yes, you know I get it.
I usually do like Korean inspired or Olzzang videos, and that's what we're gonna be doing today, as you can tell by how busted I look. But we're gonna fix that though. We actually got a special package today. Olens did a collaboration with Blackpink. They gave me the contacts from that collaboration. Everything for the lenses will be in the description box, and also my code is Tabitha2021. I think it's 10% off, but don't quote me, it might be more. So yeah, first in the package is these like pamphlets, and here are the contacts. Wow, look at that. So this is the version Smoky Gray. I'll also be trying these on for you, so stay to watch that at the end of the video or fast forward. Either one is fine. These are the Honey Shine Brown. I really like the packaging for Olens, like stan Olens, honestly. These are the Moodnight One Day Brown contacts. And these are French 3-con gold, Holepop 3-con gray color. And then these, which are the Real Ring Brown. But yeah, let's get on to the makeup. Today I was thinking, since they have like a Blackpink X Olens collab, and Blackpink is a K-pop group, let's try to do idol makeup. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. Like, this is not a specific idol's makeup. I'm just here, okay? You guys seem to like the other like easy makeup tutorial, so I thought, why not step it up a little bit and do like another one with like a razzle dazzle, a little bit more razzle dazzle, okay? A little bit more razzle dazzle. So yeah, let's get into that. Straight brows draw attention to the face and give the illusion that it is smaller, cuter, and more charming. Using a micro brow pencil and straight light strokes, extend the beginning portion of the brow and then feather out the beginning to make it look more natural. Using this jumbo concealer from Juvia's Place as a foundation, I begin to cover any scars, marks, and blemishes. Then, using a damp sponge, use patting motions to blend. Here, I'm using a lighter tone concealer under my eyes to brighten. Once applied, blend using the same patting motion. This next step isn't completely necessary, but I'm applying a powder to prevent creasing later. Here, I'm applying contour and blush, for now using a light layer as it can be adjusted later. Next, I'm on a nose contour. Using the same contour shade and a small blending brush, I contour my nose, creating a straighter shape and the illusion of a higher nose bridge and more defined tip. Using a powder, I clean up the sides and apply a highlighter to define it even more. Now, we'll start with the eyes. First, contouring the YESSTYLE, defining the bottom lid with the contour shade we used before. Then, the outer part of the upper eyelid, using a straight swiping motion to extend the eye and create depth. Using a concealer, I define the contour of the lower eyelid even more. Now, to contour the inner corner of the eyelid. Okay, eyelids are contoured. Then I extend the lash line by using a dark brown shade with an angled brush, as well as the lower lash line. Continue to apply the pink base shade to the lower lid as close to the lower lash line as possible. Apply glitter to the center of the eyelid and the new YESSTYLE. Then apply a black liner to create this simple but glamorous eye look. Finish with a mascara or false lashes and you're done. Now onto lips. This step isn't completely necessary, but I began with a nude liner by NYX and emulated a gradient lip with a mauve, pink, red, and maroon shade. Blending a little less thoroughly between each shade, I began to build our gradient lip. This step is also optional, but it helps make the gradient lip look a bit more cohesive. I added a clear gloss on top and used patting motions to apply. That's easy, pretty easy. And then I'm just gonna change and try on some contacts for you guys, and I'll be back. Okay guys, this is the outfit. This is the best I could do right now. It's not the best, but a lot of my stuff is in my closet because I was cleaning up, but look, okay. I like the makeup, it's very cute. If you guys try it, I really want to see it, but I really want to show you guys the contacts that they sent me and how I can change the makeup. So I'm gonna try those on for you. Don't forget to wash your hands before you try on contacts or put in contacts. Make sure that you use like a cleansing solution, like contact solution, before you put it in. And yeah, when you order the contacts, it comes with instructions. These, and it says wash your hands, rub and rinse the contact lenses with a fresh solution before and after use, and check the shape. It should not be like a V shape like this where the corners go outward. That means it's flipped inside out. So flip it the other way and make sure that it's a dome shape, like a U shape. And yeah, by the way, you should put in your contacts before you do makeup, but I prefer to do them this way. Do them before though, that's because I have to change in and out of them. So I was like, I might as well do it, you know, before. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna try, hold on, let me see. They gave us 5 contact lenses to try out, so, and all of these are daily except for the Holepop 3-con gray color. That's a monthly, I think, a monthly thing. But yeah, which one do I want to try on first? I'm really excited about these two. Oh, I never noticed that before. These 3, they have UV blocking. I've never heard of that before. That is so cool. But I'm gonna try these on after I wash my hands. I'm gonna go wash my hands and then I'm gonna try these on for you guys. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so these are the Honey Shine Brown. These ones are actually really pretty. Keep in mind, I have like brownish, blackish, they're like brown in the light. I say they're brown. But this is what they look like on dark color eyes. I really like these. Like, they have like a bluish tinge to them. I'm glad they really show up on like dark eyes, so like it's really vibrant. Okay, so these are the French 3-con brown. I really like these. They aren't too far from my like natural eye color. They sort of look like when my eyes hit the light, and that's sort of the color it is. But yeah, these are cute. Like, this packaging on these are so cute. Look at it. These are the monthly Holepop. Okay, these are the Holepop. I think this is what it's called. I think Holepop. The 3-con gray. These are so pretty. They make my eyes look bigger. Like I'm pretty sure they are the same size as, like, the same diameter as the other one. Diameter on these are 14.2. So I guess they're the same size. But if you have like dark eyes and you don't want to get like too crazy, these are it for you. Okay, so these are the last ones. These are the Moodnight Brown, the Moodnight Brown, and they look like they're pretty natural. I mean, there's not really too much to say about it. I mean, I like them. They're comfortable, and all of these are comfortable. I especially like the Holepop ones. Those are very good. Like, they went in very easily. They came out very easily. Like, they all come out and go in very easily, but it was just something about those. Those are real smooth, and I don't know. Those are I like them. And yeah, I'm a sucker for some contacts to make my eyes look bigger. I don't know why, but it just looks cute for me, to me. And yeah, so that's the end of the makeup tutorial. As you can see, I actually messed up my eye makeup, which I can easily fix. But yeah, so let's pose. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, look at some other videos on my channel. I just did guided makeup, so if you guys like that, then please check that out. And yeah, if you guys try the makeup, please let me know. Tag me in the picture or anything. My social media will be down below in the description. And yeah, I'll see you guys again next time.
Killer, I'll be on the top winner. Girl, not a bossy. I'ma be alright, cause you know nothing got me at. Girl, I'll be killing all night. You know I'll be making all that million like a boss. Girl, not a bossy. I'ma be alright, cause you know nothing got me at. Girl, I'll be killing all night. You know I'll be making all that million like a boss. Everybody know I'm a visual. Yeah, I kill it cold like a criminal. I'm everybody's type, but nobody can deny. Yes, you know I get it.